Today I want to talk a little bit about comfort zone. A lot of people, it seems like the majority of people out there don't like getting out of their comfort zone. I think it's well, it is like a natural human response. Something starts getting uncomfortable, then you either back away from it or take a different route so it's not so uncomfortable. Or I guess your body looks at it as a danger zone. But what we have to learn is we got to learn how to push through that. We have to learn how to be comfortable being uncomfortable. You know, every person, every successful person I know has failed numerous times, has gotten out of their comfort zone, and is comfortable being uncomfortable. A lot of people that I hang out with, a lot of people that I train with, a lot of the guys that I used to be on team with, those guys understand the concept of being uncomfortable, or at least being comfortable, learn to be comfortable being uncomfortable, if that makes sense. So, you know, you get your comfort zone. I look at your comfort zone kind of like just like a, I don't know, freaking piece of tape, right? Comfort zone. Once people get to that edge, they do whatever they have to do to get back in, to stay in the comfort zone. And then you have those people, they're trying to find that edge so they can pass that edge to get the fuck outside that comfort zone, because they know some great shit's gonna happen. You look at any successful person out in the world, I mean, whoever, name them. You know, those people I'm sure have been in numerous uncomfortable positions. You read about people, I mean, fuck, I don't know, name them. President, Arnold Schwarzenegger, read his book, phenomenal fucking story. That dude has been out of his comfort zone a shitload to have reached the goals he has reached throughout his life. Sylvester Stallone, I'm not a huge CrossFit fan, but some of these CrossFitters, I mean, fucking amazing people. Guys that compete in strongman, you know, those top guys, they're definitely out of their fucking comfort zone when they train. They take shit to new levels. My wife, Melinda, that girl's, she's like a wild animal. That girl gets things so uncomfortable that most people just don't get it. And that's why I love who she is. I don't have a problem being uncomfortable. I enjoy it, I welcome it. I get out of my comfort zone, you know, maybe I don't know, not at the top of my game because it is uncomfortable. It's maybe an unknown area. Fuck it, right? You just do it. That's the only way you grow to do great things and reach new levels. A couple buddies of mine done that Ironman competition. Fucking run a goddamn million miles, bike a million miles, swim a million miles, whatever it is. They had to train really, really hard. They had to train outside their comfort zone. Impressive, very impressive. They had to run outside their comfort zone, swim outside their comfort zone, bike outside their comfort zone. When it came to fucking game day, shit was really, really uncomfortable. And I know mentally they knew they had to be okay with being outside their comfort zone in order to finish that freaking race. And for people that do stuff like that, I mean, I don't even give a shit what kind of time you get. To me, someone that has the mindset to complete a friggin' a race like that, it's pretty impressive, man. Hats off to you. It takes a lot. It's not my thing. I don't care to run fucking 100 miles and bike 100 miles and swim 100 miles. But for the ones that do that, it's pretty badass. I'm impressed. Even in, let's say, law enforcement, we got way too many people, that as soon as they get, you know, just a little bit out of their comfort zone, they completely shut down. And that, folks, kills people. And when it comes to their fitness, they get a little uncomfortable, and they completely shut down. You know, that's why people have trainers. One of the reasons, in my opinion, people have trainers is because they want someone to push them outside their comfort zone and get them out there, because they know deep down inside in their head, they know that they're gonna reach new levels. They're gonna be able to push themselves harder with somebody else doing the pushing. When I work out with somebody, when I train with whoever, I want to be pushed. I want to be challenged. When I train, most of the time, I challenge myself. I get outside my comfort zone. I do things I don't want to do. You got to work on a thing that you're not good at. You know, we can work on things that we're completely badass at and be phenomenal at, and not work on the things that we're not good at. You need to work on the things that you're not good at. One, it gets you outside your comfort zone. Two, you improve on your weaknesses. You got to work on your weaknesses. You got to be honest with yourself. Say, this is my weakness. This is my weakness. This is my weakness. All these things are my weaknesses. This is what I need to focus on, and fucking smash it. So no one's gonna do it for you. You know, if you're not a great fucking distance runner, you know, I don't know, run a couple miles every couple days. Run a few miles. It's not gonna hurt you. You know, if you're not a good sprinter, you know, law enforcement, I think it's important that you have to fucking sprint. People want to, you know, run from the police all the time. Learn how to fucking sprint. The quicker you catch them, the quicker it's over. You know, what happens when you have an oh shit situation, you know, I don't know, fucking active shooter, something really serious going on, person with a gun, whatever the deal is. You get an adrenaline dump, your legs can get a little wobbly. You know, let's say you're that person that doesn't train outside their comfort zone. You know, you start getting that tunnel vision, legs wobbly, a little nervous, everything seems really kind of light, or maybe your legs feel really, really heavy, like you just ran. Okay? You are not going to be combat effective. You're going to be very ineffective. When it comes to those situations, especially in law enforcement, your shit needs to be locked on. I don't give a shit if you're fucking 21 or 51. If you're in this job, you should be fucking locked on. Period. I don't care if you've been on the job. Oh, I've been on the job fucking almost 30 years. Whoop-de-fucking-do. Your shit needs to be locked on, because there's other people around you that need to depend on you. You should be able to, your fitness level should be up there. I'm not saying you gotta be some fucking professional Olympic athlete. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is your fitness level should be up to par with what you have to do for a living. And there's a lot of people out there where it's not. A lot of fucking fat bodies out there in law enforcement. It needs to change. It's changing slowly but surely. Too fucking slow, but it's changing. So I always tell you, you know, you got to stay on top of your fitness, your shooting, your tactics. You know, fitness is up to par. You know, your shooting's up to par. Work on your shooting, okay? You got to carry a fucking gun every fucking day at work. Why would you not want to be efficient with it? I don't know. It makes no fucking sense to me. All right? Why? Because they have to take time out of their day to go to the range or get with somebody, get with a firearms instructor, do this or do that, or dry fire. They just bloody, and the fucking list of fucking nonsense goes on. Your tactics. Work on your tactics. Tell people all the time. Use your fucking house. Do a building search through your house. Be efficient with your tactics. You know, always look at the situation. You know, what if this happened? What would I do? I know with every call I went on, or every video I saw for training purposes, because that's how we learn nowadays, right? We learn from other people's mistakes, watching videos, or maybe, you know, other officers dying in the line of duty and watching videos on it, and that's how we learn. It's fucking sad, but it is what it is. Get outside your comfort zone, all right? So when that day comes, not if that day comes, when that day comes, in your head you know you've been outside your comfort zone, you're outside your comfort zone a lot. You're comfortable outside that comfort zone. And when you're needed, whether it's your family, your coworkers, whoever it is, your shit's gonna be locked on. You're gonna be focused. You're gonna fall back on your training. You feel confident. Your self-esteem is up. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it's gonna be fucking scary. Sure it is. I've been in scary situations a shitload of times in law enforcement, throughout my law enforcement career. But be that person that, you know, when the shit hits the fan, like, you're ready to fucking roll. If not, you got some fucking work to do. That's just the bottom line. There is no reason why you don't get outside that comfort zone to make yourself better and to achieve great things. So, if your mind is not right, I know a week or two ago I put out a video on mindset. If your mind's not right, I don't know, watch that fucking video. Watch some fucking video. You know, find people around you or out in the world that have done some really phenomenal things. You know, read about them, find out what their story is, and learn from them. Everybody has a story. Everybody has some background. Everybody's got some fucking issue. Everybody's got, you know, whatever shit going on in life. Alright? But it boils down to mindset. If your mind is locked on, you're gonna do really, really great things. In reference to today, you have to get outside that comfort zone when you're training. Get outside that comfort zone every chance you get, because I'm telling you, at the end of the day, when it counts, you're going to do great things. Learn to be comfortable being uncomfortable. Let's go out there. Let's get our fucking minds right. Let's train. Let's take your personal whatever to new levels so we can be great. There's a lot of people that are okay with being good. They're okay with just being good. Okay? They're satisfied with that. I'm not. Those people will probably never do great things because they're okay with being average. I don't like being average. I don't like being the majority. That bothers me. To me, that's like a fucking disease. People that's been around us, we tell you that all the time. To me, being average, mediocre in life is like a fucking disease. I have no idea why anybody would want to be in that little area in life. There's too many people there. It's really fucking crowded. Strive for the top. Strive to be better today than you were yesterday. And then towards the end of the day, get your fucking mind right so tomorrow you're way fucking better than you were today. So let's do this, folks. If you got any questions, holler at us. Email, call us. If you got any comments, put some comments down. Share the video if it does something for you. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. You guys have a great fucking day. Stay motivated. And let's learn to get outside that comfort zone and strive to get to the next level day after day after day. I'm out. Done.